Last week's training was a lot of strength training, conditioning. I'm just seeing where I was at with sparring, testing my cardio. This week, all of that still applies, except this week we're also going to start sharpening the tool set, working on our game plan, a little more mitt work, still keeping up the conditioning. So yeah, this week we're going to start implementing the game plan, defense, and offense. It's Sunday morning, 7 a.m. I am headed to New Jersey today to get some training in with my coach and corner, Ryan. I'm really excited to be training with Ryan today. Ryan has been in Japan. He was fighting for Ryzen. Ryan won with a really cool submission that they end up naming Dragon Sleeper. Make sure you guys look up his name, Ryan Cafaro. Check it out, it's really sick. The drive to New Jersey today is probably about 2 hours. If you haven't noticed, I drive a lot to get my training in. Where I live, there's really not a lot locally. I'm really grateful that I'm able to go and train at these high-level places, but it's totally worth it, and I'm 100% committed. I will do whatever it takes. I will make the drive just to get top-notch training. I just checked my Whoop data for last night and my resting heart rate got down to 43. That's the lowest it's been in a little bit, which tells me my body is starting to get in shape, which is awesome. Also, since it is Sunday, normally I would do my meal prepping today. This week we ordered some clean eats meals. I'm really excited for that this week. I just don't have the energy to meal prep. Since I'm in the car all the time, I often am eating my meals in the car. So this morning I did make my own breakfast for this week. An egg sandwich again. I just can't get enough of breakfast sandwiches. Got a Dave's bagel, turkey breast, and egg whites. There are days of training where I'm eating breakfast and lunch, or breakfast, lunch, and dinner in my car. The reason I made this channel was to show you guys kind of the harsh reality of at least what I go through as a pro fighter. And oftentimes that requires me eating my meals in my car.
Yeah, it's great defense, and there's your.
Oh, okay,
You know what I mean?
okay.
Good jab. 3-2. Good jab. And left, wind up with the arm. Feint, right foot, right hand. Right. So now from here, punch that to the center. Yep.
Sorry.
Here, that's when he's felt the choke. I think this will go over. Yeah. Okay. There. And that was the, and then I fell here.
It's 5:45 a.m. I just pulled into the parking lot at work. I only work 8 hours today, and tonight I'm going into the boxing gym for my boxing workout.
Kenyon. I'm the owner of United Central Pay Boxing Club, also the owner of United Central Pay nonprofit organization. My experience in boxing is I'm an elite, high performance USA coach. I'm also a certified trainer. I have my NCCT certification, my NASM certification, and also my ISMA certification. For Letitia's fight, we work on a lot of technical stuff, getting her ready, strength training, endurance training, more speed training, and explosive workouts. A lot of technical stuff that we'll do, combat her opponents, strong points and weak points.
Back, and then back to it.
I did 9-2 on the last one. can see me getting frustrated in my training here. Training with Jeff is a different kind of training, and I mean that in the best way possible. The kind of training Jeff puts me through is not only physically demanding, but also mentally challenging. It's a different kind of training, and I think it's something that a lot of athletes are missing.
Slow. Again, that side you got numbers. Oh wait, that was your left side. Hey!
I'm finished working out for the day. I didn't talk about this last week. I have a whole mental game plan that I follow before I train and at the end of the day. I'm gonna journal, and before I go to bed, I like to visualize. If this is something you guys wanna see a little more about, let me know in the comments. I can show you everything I do, all the steps that I take. I can show you the journal that I use. I can also introduce my sports psychologist. If you're an athlete in any kind of sport, I highly suggest looking into working with a sports therapist. It's genuinely changed my entire career. It's 7 a.m. I'm gonna get a quick strength training session in, and then after work, I'm gonna head over to my jiu-jitsu gym for some wall wrestling and some wall work with some of my teammates. I'm like speed running this workout because I'm running late for work. Nice.
Oop, my bad.
No, it was...
Whether you're just going inside tie or hook, right? I catch him here. I want my pressure on him so that his heels are on his butt. We're just gonna go free hip. All right, this is my free hip. I get this down. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I took her back, and I'm going to go like I'm top to the foot. My head is going into her, across her back. That way she can't reach. My name's Ed Hall. I run Hall of Fame Personal Training in Norwood. I also run what we call Hall of Fame Wrestling Club. Well, one, it's going to help you because you're surrounded by people that just want to see you get better. We're not in here to beat each other up. We're here to get each other better. Your technique is going to get a lot better. We drill about 45 minutes. The live part is where you're going to build up your stamina. I think if you could do 10-minute goes in here with a fresh guy every minute, I mean, your fight's going to be easy compared to that.
The humble beast, Rashawn Sam.
Little step to get a nice angle, shovel, and then get off the line in case you break your process.
My hands are still up, here, 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 or you can post that out for balance. Finishing off my Saturday with some grocery shopping so that I can meal prep for next week. I couldn't get a lot of videos of us training at kickboxing today. My phone said it was running out of storage. Tomorrow, Sunday, is gonna be a rest day for me. I haven't had a rest day in over a week and a half. I will see you guys next week.